Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com, and in this tutorial we are going to explore the Agentforce for developers. Agent for Developer, it is an AI powered tool which is available inside of your Visual Studio Code. So now you have a developer assistant to help you write code. And if there are any repetitive tasks, you can ask this dev assistant within your VS Code to write the code for you. It can write test classes for you. It can refactor the code. It can explain you what the code is doing. It can do all those cool things that we were able to do with the help of Cursor. Now you can do it within the VS Code itself. It provides a range of benefits designed to improve your productivity and also streamline the Salesforce development workflow. Things that used to take hours to finish, now it can be done within a short span of time. And not only it can do some easy tasks for you, it can do some complex work as well. So within your VS Code, now you have a dev assistant who can help you write code. Developers can leverage this AI capabilities to focus on complex problem solving rather than doing the repetitive tasks. Now, you may ask me, hey, we have tools like ChatGPT, and they were able to write the code for me, test classes for me, all of that. But they did not have the full context of your entire code base, right? If you want ChatGPT to write a test class, you have to first load up your class, and also you have to load up the dependent classes, and then ChatGPT will be able to write a test class. But that is too time consuming, and it also might not give you the right answers because the dependencies will be a lot more. Whereas when you have a dev assistant integrated within your VS Code, they understand your entire code base. They understand what objects you have, what fields you have, what are the different classes you have. And based on that understanding, they will be able to guide you better. Okay. So that is the benefit of using these AI assistant within a Cursor or within your VS Studio Code. What are the different benefits? Now, the most important benefit is it increases the productivity and efficiency. Now, what all things the Agentforce for developers can do? The first important thing, it can generate you code, and it can also write the test classes. The most boring task in the world is writing test classes to meet the code coverage. Now, you don't have to worry about it. This Agentforce for developers can write test classes for you. Developer can use the natural language prompts, just like human talking to another human, to write Apex code. It can write test cases for those Apex methods. It can also write Lightning web components. Another important thing Agentforce for developer can do is inline code completion. So if you are in the middle of writing code or in the middle of writing an Apex query, if you are in the middle of writing an SOQL query and you want the Agentforce for developers to finish that task for you, it can be done with this extension that has been added within the VS Code. The tool offers AI-powered inline code completion suggestions as you type for Apex and LWC files, reducing the need for manual typing and minimizing the errors. So that is another thing which Agentforce for developer can do, is the inline code completion. It can automate the tasks for you. Agentforce Dev Agent can execute multi-step development tasks such as analyzing unfamiliar code, improving the documentation, managing complex workflows through the natural language commands. So it can explain you what the code is doing. It can write comments for you or document your entire code. Okay, this method is doing this. It can make you understand what each of those methods are doing. So it can do a lot of things. It is basically having a personal assistant who writes the code for you. But I will not just depend on Agentforce for developers for everything for us, because there might be certain issues, or it might not give you the accurate result all the time. So you still need to be familiar with your coding, but Agentforce for developer can help you write code faster, but you still have to use your knowledge to make sure what it has generated is it working as expected. You have to test it manually to make it better, because it's still a very new thing. There are issues with this particular extension as well, so you have to use it with a grain of salt. It also will help you reduce context switching. So it can deploy the code for you. It can write the code for you. You can use the same MCP servers to connect with external tools like GitHub. All of this can be done within your VS Code. So it integrates directly into the VS Code environment. Developers can execute complex commands without switching between different tools and interfaces. Okay, so it will save you a lot of time, and it can not only just push the code to your org, it can also connect with GitHub using these MCP servers. The same mcp.json file, you have to just connect with the GitHub, and it will be able to push your code to GitHub also. Improve the code quality and consistency. Another benefit of using Agentforce for Developer is it will improve your writing of your code, and also it will follow certain rules that you have built in, or you have written down those rules. It will follow those rules. So it will have the best practices followed. It will have an improved code quality and consistency. So enforce best practices. The tool helps enforce development standards by generating boilerplate code and supporting static analysis and security scanning tools. So within Agentforce for Developers, you have tools like security scanning. It can analyze your code. It can suggest you that, hey, this is wrong, this is right, you're not following the best practices. And you can also set up rules, just like we have it in Cursor. We were able to set up some rules. You can set up the same exact rules within the Agentforce for Developers, and those rules will be applied everywhere. Okay, standardized development. Developers can create and enforce consistent coding standards and project-specific preferences across their teams using these dev agent rules. So within those dev agent rules, you can define your project-specific preferences, and those will be enforced whichever prompt you are asking from the Agentforce for Developers. It is very similar to the Cursor that we have talked about, but now since Salesforce has launched Agentforce for Developers, you might as well explore it also. Enhanced understanding. So sometimes the code that you're working with is a huge code base. An Apex class can be 1,000 lines long, and in order for you to understand what each of those methods are doing can be time consuming and also might be difficult, right? Whereas this Agentforce for Developers can generate comments and can also explain you the code in an easy to understand manner, and you can implement that code faster. Dev Agent can help developers quickly understand existing or unfamiliar code by providing explanation and concise summaries. Okay, so with the help of these summaries, you will be able to understand your code base better. Another benefit is secure and integrated development. It is not only just writing the code for you, it can deploy the code as well. It can push it to GitHub. It can do deployment, testing. Everything can be done within your VS Code itself. It is built on a trusted platform. Agentforce is built on the secure Salesforce platform, respecting your existing security policies and using a trust layer to protect sensitive data. So there is a trust layer which will help you protect the sensitive data, and they will take your security policies into consideration also. So it is a very trustworthy platform. Seamless integration. It connects directly with your existing Salesforce org. You can connect with your org. It connects with Salesforce DX CLI and DevOps workflows, allowing for seamless deployment and as well as metadata operations. So anytime you have to deploy your code, if you have created some fields, you want to push it to the org, you want to push it to GitHub, you can do all of that within your VS Code and Dev Agent can do it, and all you need to tell is in a very natural language, like a human talking to another human, and you can tell, hey, deploy this code to the org, and it will do all the work for you. External system connectivity is another benefit. Through the MCP protocols, Agentforce can securely connect to external system and data sources in extending the capabilities. It can connect to Playwright. It can connect to GitHub MCP server, and you can ask them to handle their task also. So you can use the same MCP protocol within the Agentforce for Developers, and it can do all the work for you. So these are some of the benefits of Agentforce for Developers. It can help you write code. It can do inline code completions. It can create an LWC component. It can deploy the code back to the org. You can connect with external tools like GitHub, Playwright, and it can push those code over to the GitHub account as well, to your repository. All these things can be done within your Visual Studio Code through this Agentforce for developers. Okay, I hope this was just a complete theory talking about the benefits of Agentforce for developers. I hope you enjoyed it. And from the next video, we will go right into Agentforce for developers and we will explore it. And also we'll do a small mini project to explain the capabilities of Agentforce for developers. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.